Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Martin Fausto. He asks, in buying a home, I often hear it's better to buy older condos because of bigger cuts, but not sure if building maintenance is up to date. What are your thoughts? Pros and cons of buying older condos. In general, a unit of the same size and location in older developments is more affordable than in new developments. If this is for your personal use, you may have other considerations, like how convenient the location is for you, how you like the neighborhood and the property maintenance, and your overall living experience. You can get a bigger, new unit outside business centers, but does this make sense to you personally? So before you start looking around, set your priorities and budget. Since old condos are generally in the resale market, make sure you have cash of at least 20% of the price for spot payment to the seller. But if you are an investor, my advice is to buy a pre-selling property. With the light payment terms offered by the developers, you don't need to pay a huge sum of cash upfront. If you plan carefully and think long-term, you can afford to buy bigger, better, or more properties that will generate more earnings long-term. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.